Hello, Las Vegas. I'm assuming if you're watching this, you are watching it from the comfort of your home. I am here at Potts, the all-vegan Egyptian restaurant here in Las Vegas, with the lovely Iman, who is the owner. As you can see, we are social distancing. I did not hug her, even though I really wanted to. I have washed my hands. I've done all the things. I'm not touching the food, just in case. But while we're stuck at home, for the most part, I wanted to remind you guys that there are restaurants that are still open and still serving you if you don't want to dine in, and at this point I think it's a good idea not to. A lot of restaurants around town have pickup options, they have delivery options, you can go completely contact free if you want. There's a lot of restaurants doing offers. Iman today just launched a beautiful offer, and it's 50 free kosharis every day. No purchase necessary, just for someone if you need the food. She's here.
Come and get it. Come and get it. That's it. Come and get it.
Thank you. And how amazing is that? So today, it's going to be a little weird because I'm not used to doing this. I'm used to kind of like hovering and being involved, but it's cool. We're pivoting. But Iman's going to show you how to use a kitchen staple that you probably have, black-eyed peas, to make something Potts inspired. So we're going to be doing this pretty regularly now with different chefs around the valley until we are told to stay completely home. And yeah, so Iman, go ahead. You want to talk first about the ingredients you have, and then we'll go from there.
Okay, so hi everyone first. We trying to do something with black-eyed peas. I think everybody has those in the pantry and nobody knows what they can do with it. So it's easy, it's very nutritious, it's full of protein, fiber, vitamin A, so it's really good for your immune system as well. We're gonna make something, and it started in Africa too, so we pretty much online with our motif. Anyway, so we're gonna start talking about the ingredients. We have the black-eyed pea can. Also, we have the little diced tomato. Pretty much everybody has it. A little bit of tomato paste, of course. Onions, garlic, some great little veggies here to add flavors to your stew. It's celery, shredded carrots, and some parsley. This you can improvise. You can play, you have salt, pepper, some cumin. If you have some vegetable bouillon, you can add that for layering your flavors. A little bit of cayenne pepper or some of the red pepper flakes. It will do the same thing. It's easy, it's fast, it's very, very good for you. So we're gonna start doing that. You want me to cook it or?
Yeah, we can move. Go for it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we're gonna start with that. Hot. And some olive oil. Start with a little bit of olive oil. And then we're gonna go right here. I'm gonna have some already ready for you guys to try and tell everyone, but we can start the process. So let it heat a little bit. I'm gonna go grab my ingredients because it's pretty far now. Right here. Start with the onions, pretty much like one medium-sized onion. Let it go to a nice golden color.
Iman, when we're done, can you give me this recipe so we can put it up on Vegan's Babies?
Of course.
Awesome.
Of course. It's really nice. You can actually put some pasta in it and it would be mimicking a minestrone. So it's really nice.
And Iman, I'm not gonna lie to you, like I actually have no idea what to do with black-eyed peas. Like I don't even know if I've ever. But also, if you guys watched my Instagram today, you saw that I made pancakes with scrambled eggs. So I don't really cook anything, but this is something I've never even thought about. So I'm kind of like.
You're gonna try it and tell
I'm gonna try it. I also might take a can home with me. Sorry.
Somebody's hungry. You heard that? So we're gonna let it do its thing while we open our cans.
So Iman, if people don't have black-eyed peas, what's another option?
See, that's something you can play with. It's pretty much basic, the same ingredient, but you can play with any beans. So white beans, you can do it even with pinto beans, whatever kind of beans you have, it will apply for the same recipe. And it's really, really beautiful and cozy.
What about if people don't have carrots, the vegetables? What can you add? Is it okay without it?
Well, it's okay without it. It's okay with it. It's just to add more color and vibrant and a little crunch and those layers to play in your mouth and feel like, oh, I'm eating a really, really great food situation. Yes, but definitely it tastes marvelous without it. It's really filling as well, and it will feed a lot of people.
And you can freeze it and meal prep it.
100%.
This could be like a meal prep too.
And you like on rice, it's fantastic. Fantastic on rice. Also, like I said, just put some pasta or some orzo pasta in it, lump up, and ready to go.
And folks, if you need groceries and you don't want to go out to get them, Instacart is a great option. Plan ahead though with them. I looked yesterday and I think you couldn't get a delivery till Friday. So it's a bit of a demand right now, but definitely if you can go out, obviously keep your distance, but Whole Foods still has produce. When I went by the other day, they still had some, and I know they're restocking regularly at all the groceries. So you'll be able to get your toilet paper soon. Also, if you do need supplies right now and the groceries don't have them, Stove over in Anthem has a special pop-up market, I think 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. Monday through Friday. And they have toilet paper and all the essentials there too. Okay, that's all I have to say right now.
It's fun. That's the time to experiment in the kitchen. You know? What else we're gonna do? We're gonna be playing video games the whole time.
So what are you doing right now?
We're just waiting it for it to get it a little bit color in it. Yes.
Okay.
So we're waiting for this golden brown to come out.
And what oil did you use?
Just a little bit of olive oil.
Olive oil, okay.
But you can also substitute olive oil.
Okay. And then the garlic, is that fresh or can you have like the little?
You can have the little one in the jar for what you're dealing with now. But it's always fresh. Fresh is better always.
Yeah. How much garlic?
It's like half a spoon.
Half a spoon?
I will give you the recipe with all the, numbers.
Thank you.
But I always go with my gut.
I mean, I wish I could do that. Oh, it smells so good in here.
Wait for it. I'm just going to go rinse that.
Yeah.
Because it's from a can. I will be back. Wait for me.
So, guys, while you're watching this, I want to know, what are you doing right now? Are you working? Are you with your kids because your kids are home? What's going on? Share your stories. Let's all do this together. Hi, Mom.
Ready to go. So here is two things. If you want your vegetable to be crunchy and nice, wait till the end and just sprinkle it on top, and it would have this beautiful crunch and vibrant colors. If not, you can drop it right here. So take some and put some on up there. I'm still foreigner sometimes. Celery and carrots and all those root vegetables, fantastic. Little toss on the dry.
While you're doing that, what are some other good products people have in their homes to make some other, like what do you think most important pantry items are for people when they're stuck at home?
I think beans is a great option because of the nutritious about it. Also, what else? Like tomato sauce. You can work that in so many different things. You can do it in soups, sauces, pasta, of course. What else? I mean, rice, also quinoa and farro, and all of those good legumes and what is the word?
Grain.
Grain. Yes, it's very filling, and also it will keep you content and not, go crazy about food.
What if people want sweets, like me? Like I always want something sweet at the end. Like what would you say I should have in my freezer?
Okay, so everything I just said, put a little sugar on it. So you can do rice pudding. That would be fantastic. You can do farro as well. It's phenomenal. We have a dish here that we use farro or what is called wheat berries. And you can use sugar and cinnamon, and you can eat that as well, and it's a little sweet.
Okay, so the next time I come over to do cooking with Iman, we're gonna use the pantry staples to make a dessert, because I've never thought about using like quinoa or farro or anything to make a pudding.
Here's your tomato, and of course you can use like diced tomato or just puree or tomato sauce. Whatever you want. The whole purpose of this is you can let it simmer slowly just to get all those flavor mingle. The last thing you want to put is your spices, because you want this aromatic to come again.
Yep.
Little bit of tomato paste and let it cool.
And so just for people watching at home, like this is not typical of you cooking. Like when you're cooking here, you're not like talking and stuff.
No,
You're
that's
just cooking.
survival mode.
This is we're just showing you here. This is not an example of like what restaurants are doing right now. You guys are actually quite stringent in all of your health precautions right now. As our every restaurant in town has implemented such incredible like health standards, which I'm sure they probably already had in the first place, but now it's just even more. I know restaurants are like closing to deep clean if they're really busy. It's just been great to see everyone really coming together.
Like once we start learning about sanitation, and even before opening, we got Serve Safe and all of this. So we already know our procedure. We're doing the same thing that we do. We have a schedule for deep cleaning and regular. So we cool with that. That's no problem. It's just for the people outside. Like when they come to our door, we try to make sure that everybody knows, okay, be careful of your surroundings, make sure you have a sanitizer. There's a sanitizer right here, you can use it. That's the only thing that we can do. But as far as the kitchen, we're good to go. So just like that, you're liking. Then of course when it takes its own time, it would be nice and smooth. Let's serve it and see how that tastes. Come on, are you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna stay over here. Or you tell me where you want me to be so we can keep our distance from each other.
I will.
Thank you.
I will. Right here. Some bread, some rice. And let's go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Try and let me know.
And then you guys, look how beautiful this is. How pretty is that? I wish my food looked like that at home. It doesn't, ever. Ever. But that's cool. That's why I come to you. All right. Those spices are so good. This is so good. And honestly, like, I can make this at home. I can make this at home, right?
Yes, you can, and you're gonna get the recipe.
Yeah. So if you guys want, I will. Well, not if you want. I'm going to put the recipe up on vegansbaby.com. Pots is still open, you guys. You're open until they tell you not to be.
Yes.
Come in for dine-in if you're comfortable with it.
Or if you're hungry and need a free meal.
Yeah. I suggest pick up, delivery. I'm really trying to social distance. This is the first time I've been out today. The only time I'm out right now is literally to come and show people how to make food, staying away. But please support these businesses. If you can, they're here to support you, making great food. 50 free cold strawberries a day right now. Go to vegansbaby.com and see the other restaurants that are open right now. Some offers. The restaurant community is really come together and really working hard to make sure that everyone has food. And if you are unable right now to be able to purchase food, a lot of restaurants have specials for you. They have specials for kids if you can't afford lunches. I know Graffiti Bow's doing free lunches. There's quite a few restaurants. Go to vegansbaby.com and check it out. Iman, thank you for this lovely food. Pots is open, pick up, delivery. And we'll see you guys, I think, tomorrow.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.